Hello YouTube. Blessings from the Most High. Peace and love. I'm sick and tired of these phony Hebrews out here. When you talk about the Bible and how the Most High works. Talking about that hurricane over there. Let's see how the Most High works. This is Psalm chapter 47. No, Psalms chapter 48, verse 8. Lightning and hail, snow and clouds, stormy winds that do his bidding. The Most High sent the hurricane out there because of judgment, to destroy and to kill. If you know your Bible in the Torah, that's what it say the Most High does. He make alive, he make wealthy, he won't, he make well, and he kills. Okay? Because I posted on the person page and they deleted my comment, so I had posted the same chapter and verse, but they supposed to be Hebrews. You know what I mean? And I call people like that, you fake. Okay, you fake. Don't just take the good from the Most High. Just like Job said, people just want the good, but you also got to take the bad. It's called discipline. It's called judgment because you did something wrong. The Most High is trying to get your attention. But once again, the Hebrews is stiff-necked. Translate that, stubborn. We love doing dumb stuff. Just like Trump right now. Can make a holiday for next month, call it Pickle Day. And have a hat with a big old pickle on it. Don't you know how many black people will celebrate that to be on the TV camera, jump around, be happy? You just made somebody rich from wearing a hat with a big pickle on it. Pickle Day. But you tell them about the Torah. That's the white man's book. It been rewritten. Who wrote it? That's old. The last time I looked, God's word don't have no expiration date on it. It's not milk. Okay? And like I always say, the New Testament is garbage. It's a lie. They stole from the Torah and put a guy in there and try to make a book around them because people cannot accept how the Most High work. Now, let's move over to this other chapter. We're going same page now, same page. Let's see how the Most High works. He's what? The Most High is what? Let's see. It's right. No, it's let's see. Let's do pause. Let me pause right quick. Pause.